Black Friday is here at Simon Sez IT, and it's your chance to unlock your career potential at our lowest price. For a limited time, you'll get unlimited access to over 200 courses, covering everything from Excel and Power BI to AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. Simon Sez IT has taught over 2 million learners worldwide. This is your chance to join us, stay ahead, work smarter, and future-proof your career without the stress of figuring it out alone. Every membership includes step-by-step training, practice files, quizzes, certificates, and live sessions. And as long as your membership stays active, you'll also get instant access to every new course we release. And this Black Friday, you'll save up to 56%. Monthly membership, just $13 per month. Annual, only $120 per year. That's just 33 cents a day. Or take the premium package and back yourself with Annual Pro for $159 per year, including exclusive extras like personal development, bonus productivity courses, and downloadable resources. But hurry, this offer ends soon. Click the link below and grab the best deal of the year before it's gone.